Hello and welcome to YQ Academy Tutorials. My name is Priyanka and topic for today's discussion is Math Object in JavaScript. So I'm using Visual Studio Code to run the program and my file name is math.js. JavaScript Math Object allows to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Math Object has no constructor and all methods and properties can be used without creating a math object first. So let's take few examples of math object. First, let's display the value of pi. Let's see its output. For that, let me write note and the file name that is math.js, and on clicking the enter button, we can see the value of pi. Now let's take another example. Let's write math.round and here let's give an integer value. Let's suppose 90.3. So this math.round will round this 90.3 to its nearest integer. Let's see the output. So the nearest integer of 90.3 is 90. So here we can see the output as 90. Now let's see another example. Let's write math.ceil. Let's give an integer over here, 60.9. So this 60.9 will be rounded up to its nearest integer using this math.ceil function. So here let's see the output. And here we can see the output as 61. Let's see for floor as well. Let's give an integer value over here. Let's say 70.3. Now let's see the output. So here we can see the output as 70 because this math.floor will round this 70.3 down to its nearest integer. Now let's take another example. Let's find out the power. This math.pov, that is power, will return the value of 2 to the power of 4. Let's see the output. So here we can see the output as 16 because 2 to the power 4 is 16. Now let's find out the square root. Let's find out the square root of 49 suppose. So here we can see the output as 7. Now let's find out the minimum and maximum value as well using math object. So for that let me write math.min or minimum, and here let's give some random values like 40 minus 10, 60, 0, 70 minus 30. And here let's see the output. So we can see the output as minus 30 because if you see over here the minimum value is minus 30. So this math.min will return this minus 30 as minimum value. We can find out the maximum value as well. Let's give few values over here. Let's see the output, and here we can see the maximum value 90 because here if you see the maximum value is 90, so we get output as 90. Now let's use math.random. So this math.random will returns a number between 0 and 1. Let's see the output. So here a random number is generated and returned. Again, let's run this piece of code. Here again a random value is generated between 0 and 1. So this is all about math object in JavaScript. So we do have other math objects in JavaScript. I only show you the one which are used frequently. So this is all about math object in JavaScript. Thank you for watching.